Did Mirza say these words that the Prophet Muhammad said, when there's a plague in a place, you leave the town immediately. If you don't, you will be fighting Allah. Did Mirza make the statement? Yes or no?
Yes, of course he did.
Brilliant. So,
Yeah.
so Mirza quoted the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
So-
Yes?
Yes,
or-
yes, brother, of course.
Yes. Okay. Now show me this hadith in any collection in the whole world, whether sahih, da'if, or maudu, fabricated. Don't take me left, don't take me right. We know from the Prophet, he said absolutely the opposite. The Prophet said absolutely the opposite.
Hazrat Ahmad said the
Wait,
same as you.
the Prophet said, when a town is infected with plague, do not leave the town, and if you're outside, do not come inside.
This was ikhtilaf bain as-sahaba. Adnan Rashid said because Hazrat Ahmad said this, he went against Rasulullah. Here I have Musnad Ahmad. You just did the fear of Hazrat Amr bin al-As. Amr bin al-As radiallahu anhu says, Inna hadha ta'un ridsun wa fi hadhi al-awdiya, that go into the jungles and the valleys. You said anyone who says this is going against the Bukhari hadith, meaning they're kafir. You just declared a sahabi kafir.
You brought up someone who is talking about his position in Musnad Ahmad. We didn't ask you to bring a sahabi's qawl or an athar. We asked you to bring a statement of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because that is what Mirza is saying, that this is what Prophet said. Instead of doing that, you brought an athar of something which is not the statement of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you said from the very beginning, look, I don't have the hadith, Mirza Sahib doesn't have the hadith, but he has some athar of Sahaba or qawl of Sahaba, that's something different. Why did you make a statement which is untrue and you made a statement saying you have it? Stop lying and waffling, Razi. What I'm clearly seeing that when we asked you directly, is there a hadith? You didn't bring a hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Razi Saab has to run Amr bin As and other Musnad Ahmad and other people and then make a story up that this is mawquf or this is marfu, okay? And I'm sure he doesn't know what these things mean, okay? He hasn't even read basic Mustalah al-Hadith, the terminology of Hadith and its application, the science of Hadith. They try to seem learned, but they don't know anything. If they knew, they wouldn't be Qadiani, they wouldn't be Ahmadi, the poor souls, okay? So now the point is, Mirza lied on the Prophet ﷺ blatantly, black and white.